you are so calm. Here, I brought you some fresh leaves. Shadow, I think the rain is coming. The plants will be so happy. Feel that, Shadow? It's like the sky is giving us a shower. The rain is getting stronger, Shadow. Let's run through it all. Even the rain is beautiful here. Everything feels so fresh and clean. The rain is slowing, Shadow. The valley is calling us.
Let's explore this refreshed world together. As they walked through the misty meadow, they saw something amazing. A huge herd of enormous dinosaurs was moving slowly across the valley.
Hello, my gentle giants, you are so calm. Here, I brought you some fresh leaves. Even the biggest creatures in the world are so kind and peaceful. In the ancient valley, the rain had brought not only water, but also new giant friends and even more beauty to their simple, joyful life.